Hey, I am deep in the heart of the California Redwoods, Northern California. I was actually born in these parts of the world and just came here to camp a little bit and reconnect. And I wanted to just do a quick video about um, how nature is so healing, and nature is and can restore our souls. And these days of so much angst and conflict and fear, I just encourage you to get out into, in fact, let me turn my camera around if I can. Maybe I can't. This is a video, not a live. Hold on one second. Let me see if I can just turn my camera. You can get an idea of the majestic, powerful influence that nature has. And the redwoods are, one of the most, probably one of the oldest trees. So this example of nature you may not have access to. I'm just going to walk a little bit with it, with you, letting you see what I'm looking at. You might not have access to this kind of nature, but nature is all created as we are, from the same energy source, from the same divine order. And what I feel like when I come into nature is an order within myself that's restored. It's hard to explain. And to be honest, I never really had a strong nature awareness growing up. I kind of took it for granted, or I didn't pay attention. And maybe it's my age now, or maybe it's the conflict in the world and my wonkiness of my emotions sometimes because of what's happening. If I can just get outside, go to trees, go to grass, go to flowers, go to plants, get quiet, and bring your awareness to nature, the ocean, a river, rocks, anything that is not electronic. So it's kind of ironic that I'm doing a video in the middle of all this, but I really wanted to encourage everyone to restore your soul and be aware, bring your awareness, even if you sit quietly and watch a leaf and just ponder it, think about it. Watch a bird, watch a flower. Kind of sounds weird if you're not used to it, but honestly, your attention will shift, your energy will shift, your emotions will lift, and you will feel a restoring to who you really are at the soul level. And the beauty, just have gratitude. Just shift to like authentic, oh my gosh, I'm so grateful that I can be here in this moment looking at this blade of grass. If that's all you can do, then go look at a blade of grass and find gratitude. And once gratitude starts in you for anything authentically, it can expand. It expands, it propels you, creates a momentum. And nature is such a great way to do that. So I hope you've enjoyed my tour, or my little scenic view of the redwoods. I don't even want to leave. It's just one of these things where you just get filled up. But do it in your way you can, as you can, and feel what it feels like. And journal about it. Journaling is also a powerful way to just start shifting your energy. Start letting yourself just start writing something from gratitude. If it's just, I don't know what to write, but thank you, thank you, thank you, it opens up some doors inside you, and it's very powerful. So